Hi guys, this is Prasant Pandey. Welcome to in my video. So guys, in last video we teased you what are the HTML's basics. So in this video we will teach you how to create the HTML form using the HTML. So let's move on towards our topic.
So guys, here I had came to my PC. So simply open the notepad, and in last video I had teached you the HTML basic. But in this form we have to first put the doc type. So guys, let's start. So guys, we have to first put doc type as I told you just now. So now next is HTML. Simply HTML put, then there will be head. Okay, then title. I will put my title registration form. So you can put by your own self, but registration form is better because we are creating a registration form now. Then title close. Okay, then we have to put the head close because our head means heading, and our heading is over. Then body, then form because we are creating a form is necessary. Okay, then we have to put table, then we have to put tr means table row. Okay, then we have to put table data means td. Okay, then our td will be name, first td. Okay, then we have to put td close because our td is over. Then we have to put td again. Then we have to put input type. We will tell you the input type in the output, its and its function. Okay, then against input type we have to put text. Okay, then placeholder. Placeholders function also I will tell you in the output. Then against placeholder we have to put name because placeholder is used for name in this coding. Then we have to put the td close because our td is over. Then again we have to put tr close. Then we have to put td, that is table data. Sorry, tr only. Okay, then td, that is table data. Then our second table data will be password. We'll put password. Okay, then of password like this only. Then td close. Then we have to put td again. Then put input type. Then input type, against input type we with equal sign we have to put the password. Okay, then we have to put the then we have to put placeholder again. Then again the against the placeholder we have to put the password only. Then we have to close the td. Then we have to close the td. Okay, okay guys, we have to close the td. So close the td. Then we have to put tr again, because we have this is third table. Then td, our table data will be gender. Okay, gender, then td close. Okay, then we have to put td, then input type, then against input type we have to put ratio. It's and ratios also I will and ratios all function also I will tell you in the output. Okay, then name equals to gender, then tag close male, next line, then again td, then input type, then we have to put again ratio. Okay, then name, it will be gender on gender, then close tag, and it will be female. Okay, now we have to close the td, and now we have to put tr close tag, and then tr open tag, then td, it will be submit, the submit button means. Okay, then it means in input type we have to put na, then input type equals to submit, then we have to put its value, means what will be its value when we click on it, and its value also will be same, submit, then close the tag, and then close td. Okay guys, till now you had understood properly, I think so. Then we have to put tr, then tr close because upward, then table close, and then form close, and then we have to put the body close, and then we have to put the html close. Now it's finally the coding has been done. If you now let's see the output. We will save as to find it easily, and I will put its name, the form .html. .html is necessary to put because it is necessary, otherwise it will not give any output like which we want. So guys, see your name, and if you will click name, then you will type any word, then in the checkbox the name will be not appear, same as password, and this checkbox is appeared by the input type, and this ratio means male and female take option that was. Okay guys, see upward, then submit button as we created. Okay guys, if you have any doubts then please comment, we will give your answers instantly. So guys, till now, bye. So guys, if you have not done if you had not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt then
Finally
comment.
guys, we learned how to create a basic form using HTML. So guys, if you like this video and you find any interesting in this video, then like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, then comment, we will instantly resolve it. So guys, be connected with us, and to be connected with us, press the bell icon and subscribe.